Next Gen Bot MT4 or MT5 reviews, results, and download. Next Gen Bot MT4 or MT5, making decisions about where to put your money can be a daunting task for an investor. But with the Next Gen Bot, you can take control and make informed choices. My system is designed to provide you with up-to-date information by analyzing vast amounts of market data in real time. Using sophisticated algorithms, I identify patterns and trends, giving you personalized recommendations that match your unique investment preferences. My goal is to help you stay ahead of the curve and capitalize on your investments. I am constantly training my advisor to adapt to your needs, and my recommendations are always tailored to your investment style. The Next Gen Bot's user-friendly interface allows you to easily track your investments, access information, and make decisions quickly and efficiently. I believe that innovation and cutting-edge technology are a priority in order to stay ahead of the competition. That's why I'm constantly working to introduce new features and capabilities that keep my system at the forefront of investment technology. Investing can be challenging, but with the Investment Innovator, you have the tools and guidance you need to make smarter investment decisions. Don't settle for less. Take control of your investments and start investing with confidence today. Next Gen Bot MT4 or MT5 is designed for trading on real accounts and provides exceptional results. It offers the flexibility to trade in fully automatic or semi-automatic mode, depending on your preferences and trading style. One of the most intriguing features of this expert advisor is its ability to use advanced neuro predictions to adjust the system's price. As more traders start to use your strategy, the algorithm analyzes data and detects a surge in demand for the system, resulting in a significant increase in EA's price. Why choose my advisor? There are a few key reasons why my expert advisor, Next Gen Bot MT4 or MT5, is the best on the market. One of the primary reasons is that it utilizes computer vision directly on the trading chart. What this means is that the neural network embedded within the EA is able to analyze vast amounts of data in real time, and visually demonstrate to the trader how to identify and locate the necessary patterns to make a successful trade. Unlike other EAs on the market that provide instructions in written descriptions, my EA offers a more intuitive and visual approach. By utilizing computer vision, my EA offers a unique way of training the user, making it easier to recognize and act upon important trading signals. The neural network can analyze market trends, identify patterns, and provide real-time feedback on what trades to make, allowing the trader to stay ahead of the curve. We provide the Next Gen Bot MT4 or MT5, no DLL, unlimited version with best price for participate in affordable price everyone. Please click our site link for buy, and we also provide customer support after sale, by payment via USDT and Skrill. After deposit send us your order no, or screenshot of sending payment after verify. You can download direct our order page of our website. If you need any help or information, please feel free to contact us. We will be happy to assist you any way I can. Support email, admin@mql5.help. WhatsApp support, +92 318 773 9988. Thanks for watching.